There are many ways to create a Cloudways account. Today I'm going to show you how to do it, how to get it done. So let's check it out. So if you need to create a Cloudways account, there's a few ways to do it. Of course, you can see over here, we have login details. Okay, what we want to do is right at the top, we want to go and click on sign up. And now you can get to this page literally by Googling Cloudways and it'll come up. It'll be www.cloudways and this is what you'll find. What you want to see here is DigitalOcean. Now, if you already have a DigitalOcean account, you can actually log in with this account. If you do not, you can create an account. You can also use your LinkedIn details. So it'll directly import all of your LinkedIn details. You can use your GitHub account details. It'll import them. Or you can use your Google account details. It'll import them. Now, I'm going to click on Google. You can also do this manually. So you'll enter your first name, last name, email address, create a password, and then you need to describe yourself, and then also the monthly hosting spending. So let's go ahead with Google, and I always use Google because it literally just takes my information from my Google account, and it just fills in all the blank spaces, and I don't have to do it manually. So here we go. We are now signing in with this email address right over here, and within a few seconds, this will be up and running. So you'll get over to this next page and now you can create a password. You can also go ahead and click on what best describes you. So digital agency, e-commerce, other business, blogger, freelancer, developer. Let's go in here and your monthly hosting spending. All right, let's go in here with $250 to $1,000. Next, you want to go down here, add your dialing code in and your cell phone number. If you have a promo code, you can add it in. You're going to go and click on I agree and click on sign up. It is that simple. You're in.